Welcome. In this video, we're going to go step by step through how to edit shortcuts on Snapchat so you can quickly send snaps to your favorite people with ease. If you've already created a shortcut but want to make some changes, whether that means adding new friends or removing a few, the process is simple and only takes a moment. First, open up Snapchat as you normally would and take a snap. It doesn't matter if it's a photo or a quick video, just snap something to get started. Once you've got your snap ready, go ahead and tap the Send to button at the bottom right of the screen. Now, look for your shortcut emoji. This is the emoji you originally set up to represent your shortcut group. Instead of tapping it like you normally would, press and hold on that emoji until an editing menu pops up. This is where all the magic happens. When you're in the Edit section, you'll see the list of friends currently included in that shortcut. From here, you can easily make adjustments. To add someone new, simply scroll through your friends list or use the search bar to find their name and select them. If you want to remove someone, just uncheck their name from the list. It's quick, customizable, and puts you in full control of who you want to send your snaps to instantly. Once you've made your changes, tap Save at the bottom. Your shortcut will now be updated with your new selections. The next time you're snapping and want to share something with that group, you'll be set. Just use the same shortcut emoji, and it will include the updated list of friends you edited. That's all it takes to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. It's a simple feature, but it makes sending snaps faster and more personalized since you don't need to scroll through your entire friends list every time. Keeping your shortcuts up to date is the best way to make sure you're always sharing moments with the people you connect with most. Now you know exactly how to adjust your Snapchat shortcuts whenever you need. Keep experimenting, keep snapping, and make sure your shortcuts truly match the people you want to stay connected with.